Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and right now I'm in PHMITTENS server. If y'all did not know, she had me as a friend for a month already, and right now I'm shook by seeing her having like every pet almost, and yeah, she doesn't have Wolfman, but I don't know if I'm saying it right, but look how many rainbow sharks she has. She has every pet from the one when you can get a virus, I think it's called, and Extrium. And rainbow sharks, she has, I believe, 6 rainbow sharks, and this one guy is asking for one, and right now she's AFK sadly, but at the same time she's grinding the bubbles blown. I don't know how, I'm like spamming her trades already. She's declining them right now. And yeah. So I don't know why I'm making this video right now, but I'm like very shook that she has this many in that. And yeah, I'm very shook. And I'm gonna go ahead and say if I want face reveal, I'm gonna do it when we hit either 10k or 50k subs. So yeah, and that's gonna be like 5 years quickly, because I never get shouted out that good with YouTubers and that. Like already like 6 YouTubers shouted me out, only a few people do. Even though they're really very popular YouTubers. The first YouTuber was Gravy Catman that shouted me out. I believe the second one was let me think. Yeah, it was a Twitch streamer. Actually, his username is let's see. 1 minute. Right now, okay, his Twitch name is Alpha O_OW, and yeah. And I've gotten 5 subs from those 2 people, and yeah. Only that many I can't remember that other people that shouted me out, and yeah. So I hope when PHMITTENS and not AFK, to see if she can try to give me a pet. If y'all seen her rewind, she gave a ton of people pets in this game, and yeah. And if y'all don't know, I wasn't put it out in the name in her YouTube rewind, sadly, because it's only new friends and I'm one of them, and this other person's in it too, and I think she only put it out for famous YouTubers, not the new YouTubers, and that I'm sad that I wasn't, and yeah. She's right here, and it only been 3 minutes and 51 seconds, bouncing right here. At the beginning of the video, right now it's like 10:25, and yeah, after this video, I won't be recording until Friday, I believe, because school is coming around, and yeah. Hope y'all want me to upload more videos on this on Friday and on, and yeah, and also in this video I'm just gonna grind to get either 2018 Overlord or a virus, I think it's called, or Rainbow Shark, or whatever it's called, I don't really know, and my brother just came in and just spoke about me. And yeah, please don't mind the commotion in my videos sometimes because I have a big family here. And yeah, like, maybe I will do FaceTime without even doing anything to that. Like, already a ton of people know my real face and that. Like, I might try to do it just, like, maybe Friday, probably. Because New Year's is here already. It's 2019 already, but I might do it on Friday because, yeah, like, I'll probably do it, in a few days because I don't want to wait for that long because that's how sometimes YouTubers get more fans. And I will be doing giveaways of some of this shiny golem, this shiny emerald golem, and some other legendaries. Oh yeah, I'll be giving away this one surfeit, one fine pig. Like, if I get multiple more of these, I'll be trading them, and I'll be giving away this inferno dragon and more when I get some. And yeah, I hope y'all are looking out for that on it. Friday I'm gonna do it, I guess. And yeah, I'm gonna do a ton of stuff on Fridays, and from now on I'll be uploading 1 to 2 videos per day. And I hope y'all like this video, and see ya. Bye.